Devialet Phantom Ultimate Audio Sources. Welcome! This tutorial will show you all the different ways to play audio on Devialet Phantom Ultimate. AirPlay and Google Cast. Both AirPlay for iOS users and Google Cast for Android and compatible iOS apps allow you to stream audio directly from your mobile device to Devialet Phantom Ultimate. Check that both your speaker and smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you're unsure, open the Devialet app. Devialet Phantom Ultimate should appear on the main screen if it's on the same network as your phone. Open your favourite app, whether it's for music, podcasts or videos. Tap the AirPlay or Cast icon and select Devialet Phantom Ultimate. Adjust the volume either from your device or directly via the Devialet app. To create a multi-room setup, group multiple speakers in the control center for AirPlay or from the Google Home app for Google Cast. Streaming protocols. Devialet Phantom Ultimate supports native features like Spotify Connect and Tidal Connect. Simply open your streaming app, tap the audio output icon and select your speaker. Bluetooth. To pair via Bluetooth, open the Devialet app, go to the Sources tab and tap Bluetooth. Alternatively, press and hold the Bluetooth button on top of your speaker for 2 seconds. Now open your device's Bluetooth settings and search for Devialet Phantom Ultimate to complete pairing. Note, while Bluetooth offers convenience, Wi-Fi streaming delivers superior audio quality. Optical input. You can also connect a TV, DVD or CD player or other compatible sources using the optical input. Simply plug in an optical cable. Your Devialet app will automatically switch to the optical source once audio playback begins. Roon and UPnP. With Roon and UPnP, you can stream high-resolution audio from a media server or a compatible app. Ensure your speaker and your Roon or UPnP server are connected to the same network. Use the Roon app or a UPnP compatible app, such as Bubble UPnP or Audivana, to select Devialet Phantom Ultimate as the playback device. You are now ready to enjoy your favourite audio sources with Devialet Phantom Ultimate.